Welcome to Speed Zone, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Hiace 12-seater, a vehicle that continues to set the standard for passenger transport. Let's see what makes this model stand out in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Hiace sports a bold and modern design, keeping up with Toyota's signature styling. The front grille has been refreshed with a sleek, chrome-accented look that seamlessly integrates with the sharp LED headlights. The aerodynamic profile isn't just about aesthetics, it also improves fuel efficiency and reduces wind noise on highways. The side profile showcases clean lines, wide sliding doors for easy passenger access, and large windows that provide excellent visibility and a bright interior ambiance. At the rear, the new vertical LED taillights give it a distinctive look, while the high-mounted stop lamp adds a touch of practicality. The overall build reflects Toyota's commitment to durability and functionality, making it ideal for both commercial use and large families. Under the hood, the 2026 Hiace is powered by a robust 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine. This engine delivers impressive torque, ensuring smooth acceleration even with a full load of passengers. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, the powertrain provides excellent fuel efficiency, a critical factor for long-haul journeys. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a balanced ride, handling bumps and uneven roads with ease. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the Hiace maintains remarkable stability and control, even when fully loaded. Stepping inside, the interior is designed with practicality and comfort in mind. The cabin is spacious, offering ample headroom and legroom for all 12 passengers. The seats are well padded, with durable upholstery that's easy to clean. Toyota has also included multiple air conditioning vents throughout the cabin, ensuring consistent cooling for every passenger. Up front, the driver's seat is adjustable, with a clear and easy-to-use dashboard layout. While the materials lean more towards utility than luxury, the build quality is solid, reflecting Toyota's focus on longevity. Additional features include USB charging ports and optional infotainment upgrades for enhanced convenience. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Hiace 12-seater is a reliable, efficient, and versatile vehicle that meets the needs of diverse users. Whether you're running a shuttle service or transporting a large group, this vehicle is built to deliver. Stay tuned to Speed Zone for more reviews and insights into the world of automotive excellence.